Another major drug maker has submitted its COVID-19 vaccine candidate for approval from the federal government. Moderna is now the second company to do so, joining Pfizer. But as Fox News correspondent Casey Stegall tells us, it won't come soon enough to stop a holiday surge of the virus.
Almost 13.5 million confirmed cases in the U.S., and the new coronavirus surge is not slowing down. But on Monday, we got one step closer to a vaccine. Drug maker Moderna announcing their candidate has been submitted for FDA approval and could get the green light in as little as 2 weeks. The company says the vaccine is over 94% effective, and there have been no long-term negative side effects reported so far.
In terms of significant safety concerns, serious threats to our health, we've not seen any such concerns to date.
The military is now gearing up to help with the distribution process amid growing concerns about the safety of the supply chain. Some governors beefing up security in vaccine storage areas, while officials warning about possible tampering or theft.
We're working very closely with the pharmaceutical companies to ensure and protect that supply chain and to ensure that the American public are safe.
Meanwhile, hospitalizations and deaths continue to spike, prompting a growing number of states to impose new restrictions. Here in North Texas, at least 15% of the hospital beds are being used to treat COVID patients, and healthcare providers say their resources are being stretched thin.
We're still in a marathon. We're not in a sprint. We have got to all work together to tamp this virus down.
Vice President Mike Pence speaking with nearly every governor in nearly every state on Monday to help coordinate the first shipments of the vaccine. That's the latest from Arlington, Texas. Casey Stegall, Fox News.
There is more news today on the COVID vaccine front. Novavax has released an update on its experimental vaccine, including when it will begin late-stage trials here in the U.S. According to Novavax, more than 20,000 participants have been dosed, and an interim data is expected soon. Novavax also says it expects to begin phase 3 trials in the U.S. in the coming weeks. The trials were originally supposed to begin in October.